Hey everybody, Jen here with the Sunshine Fashion Love channel. I have a few updates and also sharing what's new. Alright, first up, I am testing out this new camera, so that's why it may look a little bit different. This is the Canon PowerShot V10. It's a very portable little camera you can use for vlogging and other stuff like getting B-roll, but I am trying out the built-in microphone just to see like how it sounds. I will be talking about a lot of different things. I'm going to try to link as much of it down below in the description box. You can also shop this video directly, again, not sponsored or anything. Alright, so I am wearing a couple new things that I got from Quince. So far, I have not had a purchase that I've regretted from Quince. I've liked everything I've gotten from this company. I know it can be a little bit hit or miss with the quality, but so far everything I've gotten I've been pretty happy with. I know they kind of have like a dupe thing going on. So I got this top from Quince. I'm also wearing my Paperclip necklace, which I've had for a while and I really like. I got the 16-inch and then I also bought a 2-inch extender. I got it from Amazon. It was super cheap, so it can be a little bit longer. And in my last video, I unboxed some stuff from Bobbi Brown Cosmetics, and I am wearing most of the makeup products. Actually, I think all of the makeup products I got here. So far, I think it looks pretty good. The foundation, here I'll kind of show you a close-up. It's wearing pretty well. So far, I have super oily skin. So it applied everything from Bobbi Brown. I will give this company props for this. Everything applies beautifully. It's easy and, you know, not a lot of hassle. Getting things to last throughout the day for me is hard. Just gonna say that. So that can be a little bit tough, but I'm wearing one of the shadow sticks, the eyeliner, and I also use the vitamin enriched face base. I used the cleansing balm this morning. So I'm wearing a lot of this stuff. I did combine 2 of the foundation shades to sort of make a custom shade, but I think it looks really pretty so far. And I'm experimenting with a bunch of new makeup products, so you know, that's why I'm kind of going heavy today, just to see like how it's all working out. I seriously think I found the perfect t-shirt, both from Quince. I got it in gray and black, and they're V-neck, but they're also got a little bit of a boxy fit, short sleeve, and it's cropped. The length is absolutely perfect. I could not be happier with it, and it's 100% cotton, and there's no tag. There's just like the print-on thing on the inside, but I washed them. They washed up really nicely, and they didn't get all like, you know how some t-shirts can get a little bit like crunchy? These stayed pretty soft, so that was a home run. One thing I will say about this item, they fly off the shelves, so you gotta be really quick. I managed to get 2 colors, and I would love to get more, but they just sold out. So I got the size small. I think it fits pretty well. Loving this like sweater top. It's sort of like a tank top. It's in green. Also, I picked up 2 tops from J.Crew factory. Same one, just 2 different colors. This is Ivory, and it's sort of a linen cotton blend, which is kind of different. Usually you get the synthetic blends. It's not the softest fabric, but the quality feels pretty good, and it has this like ruffle detail on the sleeve. I think I also got the size small in this one. So I got it in Ivory, and I also got it in blue. Not sure how I like the fit. It looks a little weird on me. I also think the length is a bit long, so I don't know how that's gonna go. And the ivory color is a tad see-through. I thought the material would be a little bit thicker. It's not. The blue is fine. There's no transparency, but the ivory, there is a little bit. So I don't know, but what's up with you guys? Let me know what you think about this new camera. I also picked up a pair of kind of like army olive green stretchy pants. Like they're sort of cargo pants, but they fit pretty well and I like them so far. They were like a poly blend, but so far I haven't had anything I've purchased from Quince that I've been disappointed with. So I know some of the reviews can be hit or miss. And I do use the Italian woven bag I got, also great style. So I do think Quince offers some more affordable, stylish options, even though some of the products, actually a lot of the products are clearly dupes of more expensive items. So some of the marketing, I'm kind of like, I don't know if this is like luxury, but I think it's a pretty good value for the price. So that's my honest review of all the Quince stuff. But yeah, I've been really happy with everything I've purchased. So let me know what you think down below in the comments. I'm gonna be back with some more videos, and definitely follow me on the shorts if you want to see me test out more of the beauty products. I'll be doing that there. Oh, and the last video I did with the designer bags I'm selling, I did go ahead and I will be marking down the prices on a lot of the items, so be sure to check back there if you were interested in something. So let me know, contact me on Instagram if you would like to make a purchase from me from my personal collection. Anyways, I'm Jen with the Sunshine Fashion Love channel, and I'll see you again in the next one.